Eliseo Palacios has an ear problem. If he lived in the city and studied in a private school, he'd be asked to take an audiometry test in order to diagnose an auditive complication. But he lives in the countryside. The government does not demand audiometric tests in his school. The closest place where he can take one is over 200 kilometers away, and the worst part is, if his family does not find out of this problem within the next few months, he may lose his hearing. Fortunately for Eliseo and the 300,000 children under the age of 18 in Colombia with auditive dysfunction, the Éxito Foundation has created radiometries.
Dentro de poco te ayudaremos a descubrir si tus hijos tienen problemas de audición. Páralos frente a la radio y que sigan las instrucciones de la canción que sonará enseguida.
Taking into account that radio has the power to reach any community in the country, we have created, with the help of a professional phonoaudiologist, a musical round song to help detect auditive problems in children through games and learning.
Esta es la canción del reto, que nadie se quede.
With simple song commands, the song asks children to respond with movement, much likely a choreograph.
Escuche la sirena que se toque el oído.
The commands are given in different frequencies and volume levels, the same used in a professional audiometry.
Pasamos todos los sonidos que vamos a utilizar para evaluarlos a través de un altavoz, como los parlantes que tienen los equipos de sonido o un radio común y corriente.
If the child does not respond to one of these commands, there could be a problem, and he should be taken to a doctor as soon as possible. Radiometries, a simple jingle that turned into a free audiometric test allowing to save Eliseo's and thousands of children's hearing across Colombia. Éxito Foundation, committed with the development of early childhood.